I lost everything when my startup crashed, debt collectors hounded me, and sleepless nights became my norm. One evening, while staring at my empty fridge, I realized rock bottom was a solid foundation to rebuild. I turned my pain into purpose, launching a non-profit to support struggling entrepreneurs like me. I leveraged every lesson from my failure, building a community that thrived on resilience and shared experiences. Now, the same people who once doubted me are inspired by our growing impact. My journey from tragedy to triumph taught me that true success is not the absence of failure but the courage to rise after falling.